Not every crossroads in life is about choosing a direction. Sometimes it's about letting the colors lead. In today's pour, I stepped outside my usual method and used a different medium, just to see what would happen. I started with a white base in the center of the canvas and layered the metallics, purple, blue, green, and gold, forming a cross, top to bottom, side to side, like choices meeting in the middle. As I used the blow dryer to stretch the white over the metallics, it reminded me of life smoothing out the rough edges of our brilliance. What emerged was surprising. The gold took over like sunlight, the blue and the purple whispered in shadows, the green added a pulse of nature, and all of it came together into something both bold and still soft. This painting reminded me that sometimes beauty shows up not when we control everything, but when we trust the mix. Let the colors do what they were born to do. Let your crossroads become your masterpieces. If you felt something from this pour, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can keep creating with me. And remember, stay creative and keep painting.